Coronavirus: 10 things you can do while you are in isolation, social distancing, or in quarantine. Being stuck at home can be a daunting experience. If you are like me, I usually like to keep busy, so I need options to keep me entertained to avoid the boredom blues. Here are some things that have worked for me, my family, and friends during this period of isolation. 1. Let the sunlight in or get some sun. Open your blinds, shades, or curtains and open your windows. If it is an option, let the natural light shine in. This helps improve your mood, and opening a window will let some fresh air in to help take away the isolation blues. Step outside, keeping in mind social distancing guidelines, and get some sun and vitamin D. This can help boost your mood. 2. Keep up with your basic hygiene and self-care. Things you did before our worlds were impacted by the coronavirus, such as brushing your teeth, taking a bath, shower, taking your vitamins, drinking water, eating regular meals, etc., can give you a sense of normality and also maintain some of the routine you had before the impact of the coronavirus. If nothing else, some of these things will make you feel better. 3. Still keep to somewhat of a regular schedule. If you are like me, you have a family. I have a spouse, and 2 children in my household. The children are home all day now, and trying to stick to a routine is important for everyone's sanity at home. For example, I still get up, make breakfast for the kids, then I go about my work from home, and so does my spouse. The kids have their online piano tutorials, dance, martial arts, etc. And we have lunch and dinner at the regular scheduled times. Of course, the schedule isn't as stringent as it sounds. There are TV series and movie binges along with late nights, and sleeping in. However you can achieve balance in your household, everyone is different. 4. Spend time on a hobby you love or have neglected. I think many people, including us, have found new passions or reignited hobbies we have put on the back burner due to life getting in the way. Example: I have put my time into cooking recipes I have been meaning to try, but didn't get around to before. My spouse loves to scrapbook our vacations and was 2 years behind. The kids love drawing and have spent more time doing that now they have no school in session. 5. Learning keeps the mind sharp. Take up a new skill or language perhaps. You can go to websites like Duolingo, learn a new language. Another website called Skillshare has classes on topics like personal development, photography, writing, graphic design, and other creative trades. Also plenty of videos on YouTube where you can learn to do it yourself DIY, from how to build a Shopify store, making a cabinet, to creating origami. I love to cook, so watching cooking shows and how to make recipes is my jam, no pun intended. 6. Build things as a family or play games together. If you are stuck inside together as a family or with a partner, build a Lego set together or play board games such as Monopoly. Of course, if you have a PlayStation, Wii, or other game console, play games everyone can participate in. 7. Try to stay social even in isolation. FaceTime with family and friends. I am sure they want to know how you are doing during this time of unprecedented events. Also, hearing from you shows you are thinking of them during this time as well and may help boost their spirits. Have a virtual coffee or drink with them. It helps break up the monotony of self-isolation and loneliness that can occur. 8. Home improvement projects. Maybe it is time for some home improvement projects you have neglected, like me when life was getting in the way, where you were saying, I will get it done when I have time or tomorrow. For me it is caulking the basement tub and putting up the new shelving in the mudroom. 9. Exercise. Science and studies show over and over that exercise is a great mood booster, releasing endorphins. Also, it is good for your health, mentally and physically. With the coronavirus and isolation, some of our favorite places such as the gym, yoga studio, dance studio, martial arts studio have been forced to close due to the risk of transmission of COVID-19, the coronavirus. But this has led to an explosion of online training and instruction to supplement regular in-person classes. For me, I love martial arts, and my martial arts club fortunately offered online instruction to their members that we can do at home on regular scheduled days every week until we go back to normal, whatever that will look like in the future. 10. Chill and binge watch your favorite movies and/or TV shows. I love watching movies as it is a great way for me to relax, and it takes me away from the reality for those few hours. Plenty of options at your fingertips such as Netflix, Disney+, Apple TV, etc., so you can binge watch your favorite TV series or movies. Disclaimer: the materials and the information contained here are from my own experience. Keep in mind the social distancing and guidelines as recommended for you and your local area. Information on the Honeybee Remedies channel are provided for general and educational purposes only and do not constitute any legal, medical or other professional advice on any subject matter.